and Pradeep Magazine now joining us live from the studios. Sir, what do you make of, I believe you obviously heard the conversation between Harish Salve and Bhuria and Shivani. What do you make of what his claims are? And more importantly, of the interim order that's been passed by the Supreme Court today, considering that Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings will still continue now?
Look, it is an interim order, and as Salve has said, the board has to, the Supreme Court has to hear the other side of the argument. But obviously, as of now, they do feel, and they do, the very fact that they feel that there is seriously wrong with the way Indian cricket is run, the conflict of interest runs deep. That's why they have removed Srinivasan. All said and done to say Srinivasan has stepped aside or stepped down, he hasn't. The Supreme Court had told him 4 or 5 days ago to like you can't function, and they passed this order. They just they replaced him with Gavaskar. As far as letting these two teams play, it's only for this IPL, considering the fact, that's what Mr. Salve has said, and that's obviously true also. They'll let the tournament go right now, and they will make, after the probe is done, they will punish the guilty. So I think the confusion arises because we all thought that they have banned these two teams yesterday.
Right.
And since that they haven't done that, is it that they have like gone back on their words, or is it that they have exonerated them? But that's not true.
It was just a sweeping, just a whole slew of proposals that the Supreme Court.
The proposal, I think, was that they told the board that this is what they are planning. This is what is in their mind. So get back to us with arguments saying why shouldn't we do it? And their arguments, board's arguments must have been that look, this whole tournament will collapse.
Right. Exactly. So using what you're saying, sir, as a jumping off point, let's just quickly listen to a reaction that came in from the BCCI's lawyer, Ariman Sundaram, just after the court passed this interim order. Let's listen in.
The BCCI made very clear that since we were concerned with a swift investigation, and such investigation should be conducted with complete probity, and there should not be any element of public doubt as to the probity of this investigation, that Mr. Srinivasan would not discharge the activities of the president of the BCCI, and someone else could discharge those activities for the time being. This was the proposal which was given in writing to the court yesterday by the BCCI. Very reckless allegations were made against the Indian captain based on certain allegations that he had tried to cover up, and what he was claimed by the petitioner to have said to the committee. The fact of the matter is he never said any such thing. It is very easy in court to stand up and make all kinds of allegations. It is a totally different thing to substantiate them, and I am only very unhappy that we as Indians should have allowed a position of making a reckless allegation against the captain of India when the team is in Bangladesh fighting for bringing back a trophy to India and doing so well, that we are totally unmindful of all this, quite willing to make any kind of reckless allegation in court just to further a case.
Now, I think the biggest question after all of this is, with the Supreme Court ruling that Sunil Gavaskar will be the interim chief of the BCCI, the big question on everybody's mind is now what happens to N. Srinivasan?
Well, see, Gavaskar has been made only till this IPL duration, and he's only look after the IPL affairs. Supreme Court also has, I think yesterday it had said that no one who is part of India Cements, the Srinivasans, should be part of IPL or the Indian board. It has today said, I don't know, I haven't seen the verdict or whatever, but whatever I heard is that it's up to Gavaskar now to decide that. But what I am quite shocked at is that even every one of us has read the Justice Mudgil report, where he has mentioned the fact that along with Srinivasan and all the India Cement employees, Dhoni also said that Mayappan is a cricket enthusiast. So I can't see how the board lawyer or Srinivasan's lawyer is saying that these allegations are, I think it is, he is actually laying serious charges against the committee report. That means he is saying the committee's report findings are wrong. And if that is true, I go along with Salve, this is something which the court should take notice of.